Namaste viewers, welcome to DM Astrology. Today we are going to see a Guru Purnima special. How to pray Guru, how to get a blessing from the Guru. That is very important from getting this blessing, especially from the mentor or teacher to whom we have learned something. So this is a gratitude day. Show your gratitude so that they will be also blessed. You will be also getting blessing from them. So this is a opportunity you got to connect with your Guru. Now, this time the Guru Purnima comes on 23rd July 2021 on Friday. So that day, morning 10:45 a.m. the Purnima start. So we'll do the Guru Pujan on that day only. On 24th July 2021 Saturday, it will end by morning 8 hours and 5 minutes. This time I have taken from the Bombay time. You may take from your own place. So, we have to do the Guru Pujan on Friday, 23rd July 2021. Now, how to do, what to do, that we learn. Now, the best Muhurt is called as a Abhijit Muhurat. The Abhijit Muhurat is fall on 12:45 afternoon to 1:11 p.m. So between 12:45 to 13:11, this is a time where Abhijit Muhurat is there. Prior to that, there was a Rahu Kal, so it is not auspicious. So between this time, you will be going to do all the pujan and the things which I am going to give you instruction later on. So this is a Abhijit Muhurat, best of the day Muhurat you can follow. Or you can follow the Jupiter Hora. The Jupiter Guru Hora falls on 10:34 to 11:40, but that is a Rahu Kal, so we should avoid that. Then it is in the evening the Jupiter Hora falls on 18:11, that is 6:11 p.m. to 19:16, that is 7:16 p.m. That's a Godalika, that is the best time where the sunset is there. So prior to sunset, half an hour before, you can just sit and do the puja or do the mantra, that I will instruct you. Or in the midnight 24 hours 45 minutes to 25 hours 40 minutes, it's also time. So at midnight 00:45 am to 1:40 am is also a Jupiter Hora. So make a best Muhurat, either a Abhijit Muhurat or a Guru Hora that you can utilize, and during that period you have to do the Guru Pujan, you have to do the mantra, you have to do all the rituals which I am going to share. Now see, Guru Purnima means, Guru means Jupiter and Purnima means Purna. Jupiter means a growth, who will brings the growth in our life is the Jupiter, that is mentor, that is Guru. And Purnima means who will complete. Purnima is a Sanskrit word which means completion. So who makes growth in our life, who makes a completion in our life is a day called as a Guru Purnima. So that's the auspicious day we get on 23rd of July. So on that day, Guru Purnima day, we are going to do the Guru Pujan. Guru Pujan can be done from the Chandan. You can pray your parents also. You can touch their feet. You can make the tilak of a Chandan. Chandan is also a things for the Jupiter. So yellow, turmeric and Chandan you can put in the Guru's forehead, and you can take them blessings. That is also one way, by Guru Pujan, by Chandan, or you can pray your parents also. You can do the Dhyan. That is also a time to do the meditation. By keeping the photo of your Guru, if your Guru is not alive or your Guru is not near to you, you can keep his photo and you can make a Dhyan. And making his memories all inside your body, feeling that he is blessing you. So that's gratitude you can show to your Guru. You can do the Guru Mantra. Everybody is getting a Guru Mantra. If you don't have any Guru Mantra, then planet Jupiter mantra you can do, that is Om Brahm Brahaspate Namaha or Om Guruve Namaha. Or you can do any mantra which is for the Guru. As it is says that Guru Govind dono khade kako lage paye, Balihari Guru Dev ki Govind Dio dikhai. Means there is a God and there is a Guru. To whom I should pray first? So God says, first pray to your Guru because he show that I am a God. So that values the God is giving to the Guru. So Guru is a one person, mentor is a one person who will show you the pathway, who will show you the way of a lifestyle. So that is why there is the importance of a Guru in everybody's life. So do Guru Mantra. You can do the meditation also, just meditation. During the Jupiter Hora or Abhijit Murat, close your eyes and sit in the meditation pose by keeping the Shunya Mudra. That is also called Dhyana Mudra or Shunya Mudra, by which you are receiving the energy from the nature or cosmos. So that also you can do the meditation. You can do Pada Pujan. Pada Pujan means praying the feet. Take the feet of a Guru and just wash with the milk, with the water, and especially the toe. Toe you have to wash clean, and then you can put the chandan, haldi, all the good things and rice on this, because the toe is carry all the energy or life force of a person, that is called chi. So that if you pray, and that water you can keep yourself or you can keep nearby to you, that is a blessing of a Guru. So that also you can do the Pada Pujan or do the Tilak, that is also there. You can donate the sweet, because for Jupiter it's all sweet item. So you can donate any sweets, chocolates or sweets made by the bundi, that is a laddu. We call it a laddu, or yellow color laddu you can donate, that is also a Jupiter remedy. Those Jupiter is weak in the chart also can donate as per their weight, any like a jaggery or sugar, that is also any sweet item they can donate according to their weight, body weight. So that bundi ladu also you can donate. You can donate the education material like books, pencil, pen, rubber, any stationery item which is useful for the students. So you can go to school or you can donate any institute or NGO where this all education material is being useful. So that also you can do, or you can donate the money so that it can be utilized in the education purpose. So that's also education material also you can donate. You can donate in the library. Library also is where all the knowledge is kept. So that is also a very essential thing. You can donate in the library, any books or anything which you can able to donate. So donate in the library. You can teach someone. This day, this particular time, you can teach something to your disciple, to your friends, anybody's, so that this is also an tribute. This is also an gratitude towards your Guru. So teach someone and get a blessing from them. So teach anything, that is also important. You can donate turmeric. You can donate turmeric, or you can donate the yellow dal, like we call it a chana dal, or that's a yellow dal you can donate. That's also for the Jupiter. So you can donate the fruits, you can donate the flowers, you can offer the fruits to all the saints, to the temple, to the beggars, poor, needy people. Donate as much fruits you can donate, or you can donate the flowers. You can offer the flowers to the God, flowers to the Guru, or anybody's. So that is also comes under this. See, Guru is a very important in our life, so that this is the opportunity we got to give them a good tribute or show our gratitude. So full day if you don't do anything, just in mentally remember them. Remember the things which they have taught in your life. If you remember any gurus, just remember them. Having a photo, you can pray them and always bless them that they keep their good health. So this is a way by which you can give a good tribute to your Guru, and by which they will also get good things. So to charge your own Jupiter also, you can donate all these things and you can do all this. So donation, education, praying Guru, meditation, dhyan, these all are the ways by which you can show your gratitude towards your Guru. So don't forget anything to give the gratitude towards your Guru. For that purpose I made this video. So I hope that my wordings will reach to you and you will get blessed from your Guru. So all the learner and listener, those who are listening, I am giving all the blessing to you that you will be prosperous in your life. Thank you very much. For more information, you can connect with me in my Facebook page. You can see my website www.dmastrology.com, and you can contact me in my website for the more information and consultation. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Namaste.